Hello. Long story short, I've been thinking about making a bit of a YouTube channel for a while, and I've decided, fuck it, I'm going to do it now because I've had a couple of weeks to myself and got kind of bored of just doing projects and not sharing them at all. But yeah, so this will be a bit of an intro video, just show you what I'm currently on with, what I'm doing. I'm looking that way because you can see the back wheel of it there. That's the bigger project I'm on with. But yeah, general sort of gist of what sort of videos I'll be doing. It'll be long sort of car projects, little car jobs, machining jobs of various bits and stuff for my dad and his friends and things. I've set up with the mill and the lathe. I'll go over all that sort of stuff in this video later. So for the last couple of weeks, I've mainly been focused on my MX5 project that I've got. I'll go over that in a bit. I might put some pictures up wherever they end up. I don't know. But then the longer project, I'll show you now. Actually, fuck it, why not? So the bigger project is this, which is Morris Minor. We'll take it on. So this is the bigger project. I've been on with this for the last couple of years, on and off really. It's Morris Minor. Was used for drag racing previously, and I think that's probably what we'll end up doing with it. But yeah, so it's, as you can see, it's a pretty modified Moggy. But I wonder, I don't know if the lighting's any good. Oh, that's terrible. But yeah, we've fully stripped it all down, wire brushed it all off, welded in where it needed it, and then rebuilt it. So this was already done up for drag racing, as I said, and been sat rusting away for ages. So I've just been rebuilding it to where it was before. The engine's just been in recently, so it's a Pinto engine. It's been bored up to 2.1 litres, I believe. It's got bigger cams in it. You can see twin Weber 45s on it. Give you a better shot of them. And yeah, so that's the current big project. Yeah, the next part of the tour is this, my Bridgeport mill. Got a vari-speed head on it. It's currently in pieces because I've been rebuilding that as those bits missing. There is a shaper head back there for those of you that know how hard they are to get your hands on. But yeah, this is the mill, and then we've got the workbench. It's an absolute state at the moment. I've been sanding this week and I need to give it a proper tidy up. But yeah, there's the motor for the mill. And then if we go further around, we've then got the lathe. Again, it's an absolute state because I've not really been using machines recently. But yeah, that's the lathe there. We've got a Harrison 140, pretty good machine. Under here, this is where we've got some fun stuff. So we've got the MX5 engine. It's 1.8 BP4W, which is the 1.8 Mark II non-VVT engine. This is one of 3 engines, one's in the car at the moment. This one blew up on the way out to the Nürburgring about a year ago. Lost compression in cylinder 4. I haven't taken it apart yet to see what that is. I'll probably do a video on that as like a breakdown and damage analysis, I guess. And then that's some fun stuff which I won't get into at the moment, but that's long-term plans for the MX5. Some people might be able to work out what it is. Got a box of bits that make a Torsen diff that's got some damage on it and stuff. I haven't had a proper look at that, but that'll be getting rebuilt hopefully in time for the next Nürburgring trip, but we'll see. That'll be a video as well, putting that together. That's the front bumper off the MX5. It looks pretty from about here until you catch the light on it and just the right angle and you see all the shit that's in the paint. But the MX5 is not a show car, it's a 10-foot car at least. Subframe in the back as well for the other project, but that won't be happening for a while. And yeah, I'll go outside and actually show you the MX5. So this, that's good representation of the MX5, but yeah. So here is the MX5. Currently without its bumper on, obviously, as that's just shown you earlier. But yeah, so I'll probably do a bit more of an in-depth video on each project as I do the first video on each one. But just a quick overview of it. There you go. So we've got the carbon metal wide body on it, big gay wing at the back because we love it. It's currently just a stock 1.8. Oh yeah, the flock dash and never been sticker because we didn't make it around the ring last year. So that's the mark of shame. Hopefully we'll be peeling that off in a month or so's time. And yeah, that's about it. Got some lovely lacquer peel going on both the wing mirrors. I don't know if that's a common problem, but that's a problem that I've got on both. And yeah, that's it. Needs a good polish on the bonnet as well. Hopefully we'll be getting that done soon. So yeah, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick round tour of what sort of stuff I'll be on with. The machining videos I think I'll probably put on a different channel, to be honest, but I might put them on here. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but it gets a bit more nerdy on that side of things. I know it's not what a lot of people that are just into cars want to see, but it's one of my 2 big passions. So I'll probably be doing those videos, whether they're on here or not. We'll find out. Then car-wise, we'll probably be on with the MX5 bucket seats next. That'll be the next job, and then from there we'll go on to that probably that diff that I showed you earlier. I think that could be quite an interesting video really. It's I haven't had a proper look through it all yet, but it was sold as MX5 torsion soup, so apparently all the bits are there, but they're a bit damaged and some sheared off bolts or something, so hopefully we can put that all back together and get it working. I'll have a look through it and order any parts I need beforehand, and then we'll rattle a video out on that. I'm not super knowledgeable on exactly how they work, but I'll try and teach myself and then maybe explain it as a idiot's opinion on it. But yeah, that's about it really.